G'day, it's Dazza here from Dazza's Diecast. Looking at a 1:50 scale Hiatchi made by TMC. Very high quality models, these TMC models. Just like its big brother, this wee model here, likely to be seen in New Zealand a fair bit. Brand new release, this model. Has great detail. It's spring, very hard to show, but it has spring tensioning tracks. You can see down inside the engine there, all the hoses. Been a lot of thought put into how they've made the hoses run. Reasonably stiff to move, which is good because you can pose it and it will hold its pose very well. This is the perfect size to go on a low loader. We turn it around, have a look at the cab. Look at that track gear, individual cleats, top and bottom rollers, everything's there. Awesome. Just drop into my store at www.dazzasdiecast.co.nz and pick up one for yourself.